Hi there and welcome to the Mockup section. We have worked very hard during the course and it's time to see a reality of what we have worked, of course through images. We are going to take our 3 patterns that we have created, and also we are going to take our badges and create what we call mockups. We're going to create mockup for a pillow that will be with the patterns, and we are going to create mockups with t-shirts. That will be these 2 patterns, and then we're gonna take the 2 badges and put them on nice ceramic mugs to show our clients how will it look like in reality. It's gonna be very interesting, and I encourage you a lot whenever it's possible to create mockup for your work and post them on social media. I'm sure the guys will like them and you might get quite some customers.